Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's France, and today I will be doing another video which is me packing my stuff for Japan. So today is December 20, 4:56 p.m. and we are leaving on December 23 going to Japan, and I'm excited even though it's our second time going there. Today is gonna be my first time doing this. I'm gonna show you guys how I pack my clothes, things for whenever I go travel. So I will be giving you some tips. I think maybe 2 tips. I think I have 2 tips for you guys. So yeah, let's go packing. Okay guys, as you can see, I already fixed my clothes. This is my luggage. I'm gonna use my own luggage for this trip. So these are my jackets. This is a corduroy jacket from Uniqlo. This is a cardigan, black cardigan. I forgot where I bought this. And a fleece jacket, yeah, from Uniqlo again. And I already set my outfits here. And I already packed my undergarments, pajamas, and I also gonna put this in my luggage, which is my Toms. I really love the shoes. Okay, so I will be giving the first tip which is to plan for your outfit ahead already. So normally I already plan my outfit for the day so that I won't get a hard time choosing for an outfit. So as you can see, I already planned my outfits here, and so this is how I plan for an outfit. So I set up my pants and some tops, shirt, long sleeves and stuff. Okay, so yeah, that's gonna be tip number 1, is to plan your outfits ahead. So the reason why I do this is because it gives me a very easy way to pack. And also, don't forget, while choosing your outfit, you should keep in mind that the outfit that you're going to choose will not take much space on your luggage. So whenever I choose my outfit, the outfit that I choose, or maybe a shirt that I choose, has a thin fabric so that it won't take much space on your luggage. So yeah, that's gonna be another tip, which is to choose your outfit wisely so that it will fit on your luggage. Okay, for this section, I plan to put all of my jackets or any bulky clothes here so that it would, it won't get so much space here. So okay, as you can see, there's a space here, so I could put another bulky top here. So I have this dress, this bulky, so big, and it would fit here. So as you can see, I filled up all of my space here with my jacket. So I'm gonna zip that now and go to this space. For this section, I'm gonna put all of my pants here and my shirt, and I will first pack my shirt. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna roll it so that it won't take much space in the luggage. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna roll it. So normally it's already folded like this, and I just roll it like this. And okay, so now that I already packed my shirt, so it looks like this. See, it does not take that much space when you roll all the top. So it's best to roll it, and so there would be more space for your pants. So what I'm gonna do for the pants, since you can't roll it that much like what I did to my shirt, so I'm just gonna fold it like this, like that, and then I'm just gonna I'm gonna show you. Once already folded like this, I fold it another half. So like this, I fold it like this, and then I put it here and push it again so that it won't take much space. And I will do the same for my corduroy pants. And yay! Last pants! I'm gonna fold it again. Here. Okay, so I already packed all of my jeans and my pants, my shirt, and as you can see, there are more space, and that's a good thing because I'm gonna buy some clothes from Japan and there'll be more space for my luggage. And yeah, this is how I pack my clothes. I'm back. So here's my luggage. I already packed all of my clothes in here, and I'm very happy because I wasn't expecting that it would fit here, and I was not expecting that there would be a space. There would be more space in it, and there would be an excess space for my clothes. So yeah, I hope you could remember my tip, which is tip number 1 is to plan ahead for your outfit, and tip number 2, when you're planning for your outfit, you should make sure and keep in mind that the outfit that you're going to choose or that you're going to wear is that it won't take much space on your luggage. So I hope that would be a helpful tip for you guys. And yeah, I think that's going to be the end of this video. So I hope you liked my video for this packing stuff thing. Yeah, so I hope you could leave a like if you like it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.